In a world full of corruption, God looked upon Noah, a man of faith. He warned him of a great flood and commanded him to build an ark. Day after day, Noah worked, mocked by his neighbors, but trusting God's word. When the time came, animals of every kind, lions, doves, elephants, and more, entered the ark, two by two. Then the heavens opened, and rain poured for 40 days and nights. The waters rose high, covering mountains, but the ark floated safely on the deep. At last the rain ceased, and Noah sent out a dove. It returned with an olive branch. God had kept his promise. Noah, his family, and life itself were saved. And a rainbow stretched across the sky, a covenant of hope for all generations.